Okay, so this guy actually has his name is Sin, Sin. Sin told me it's not really a sin; it's actually a tiny area. It depends on your level if it's a sin or not. I was like, look, it happens, all right. Um, he said, basically, without saying, is that these people should have an automatic reply. Who's what filter are you using? Where is it filtering to? Okay, that's great. Congratulations for your filters. Okay, you want some coffee now or coffee later? Okay. I'm over here trying to. Currently, at this moment in time, I'm viewing the world through the lens of Sudoku. And Stewie and I, Stewie basically, and Little Debbie Snack Cakes, reviewing the world through the lens, pun intended, through the lens of Sudoku. And we have a speaker here, Dan Kubik. He's an EVP helping manufacturing solve OT and MES challenges. He's actually the New Jersey Institute of Technology. Congratulations. You may know some people that I was previously connected to. He's over there at Purple Rain Digital Factories or something. And I have a suggestion for Daniel. Daniel, because you're trying to sell your software, I realize there's some conundrums that he's like, how can you help me? I was like, well, okay, fair enough. I will give you some ideas. But you have to listen to what I'm saying, okay? You have to kind of joke. Anyways, I hopefully you appreciate the insight. You want to improve your software, you want to have some cool selling points. That's great. Okay, what do you do? How can you prove something that you had the best people you could find work on your softwares and things, and now you're selling it in front of everybody at this show in Chicago. Apparently you're right down the road from me, supposedly. At least that's what it says on the internet. I'm not for sure if you made it there. I'm not for sure if the plane flight landed. I don't know if you drove. I don't know if you went by horse and buggy. Did you run there? Did you ride your bicycle there? I don't even know how you got there. I don't even know if you're there. Maybe you did it via video conference. What do I know about? I don't know. I know nothing. So I'm looking at your site. I saw your LinkedIn profile. I'm sending you an email right now. I'm just going to go ahead. It says what it says in the email. So, in other words, if you want to predict manufacturing to the nth degree and have a decent selling point, what do? Well, you look at the weather reports. I would purchase myself a couple of quality farmers almanacs, and then I would basically make a chart of the daily, weekly, monthly cycles throughout history of the weather, basically, and align that with current weather reports, what's going on currently, basically either in real time or close to real time, and that should predict at least to a little bit of degree the deliverability rates at some point of the items. And then of course there's another thing, and that'll be in the email. Thanks for listening.